This is the Ecandy adjustable dimmable desk lamp with USB charging port and a built-in alarm clock. It has 5 lighting levels and 3 light colors. The colors are warm for relaxing, slightly warm for study mode, and a cool light for reading. You can control all of these with the touch-sensitive control on the base. You can tilt the light 180 degrees and also swing it left and right 180 degrees. The AC adapter is rated for 100 to 240 volts with an output of 12 volts and 1.5 amp. The overall surface is shiny black. It is beautiful, but is also a fingerprint magnet. The bottom has a non-slippery pad. At the back is the power port and a 500 mAh USB charger, which is perfect for charging your phones, but is not designed for charging bigger devices like iPads or tablets. Adjustments for the clock is at the back of the desk lamp. It is not very difficult, but you will have to memorize the buttons when adjusting the date and the time. A short, easy to understand manual is also included. A CR2032 battery is installed. This will keep the time and date current even if you unplug the AC power of the lamp when you have to transfer the lamp to another location. Adjusting the date and time is easy. You just press and hold the button S at the back until the number on the LCD starts blinking. The up and down button is self-explanatory. This is what the 5 levels of light look like. The lamp will remember what was the last setting when it was turned off, and it will turn on with the same setting. And this is what the 3 light colors look like. This is done by the different combinations of the daylight color rows of LEDs on the sides and the orange warm row of LEDs in the middle. You can twist the direction 180 degrees left and right from the base, and the lamp can be tilted up and down 180 degrees as well.